welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia. I absolutely love playing around with colourful makeup, and today we're going to be revisiting Sheglam's Crimson Butterfly collection. I thought I could just do maybe like a cut crease look with the palette, yeah, just I've already got a lipstick on. This is not from the collection. This is actually a Beauty Moon Cosmetics liquid lipstick that I've got on, but I thought it was quite similar to some of the shades within the palette. But I thought we could use the eyeshadow palette and probably the blush and the highlight. What I'll do is I'll link the previous video to this collection where I do two looks, so you could see everything that's in the collection and you'll be able to see the swatches as well. There is an eyeshadow palette, there's a black lipstick, there is a blush and highlighter palette, there's a blush that changes colour from black to pink, and there's like cream liquid lipsticks as well. But today we're just going to probably focus on the eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to put this on the floor because it's absolutely massive, and what I'll do is I'll open it up and show you. So it comes in a little box and it's like this. It's kind of like a photo frame and it just says Crimson Butterfly. Open it up. Oh, it's like that's a wee butterfly there, and it's very obviously red leaning. And I think we're just going to get stuck right in. I'm still waiting on makeup coming that we will get round to reviewing, and there is obviously new makeup coming out. Attitude Cosmetics is releasing two eyeshadow palettes. I already know that one of them's the Vintage Neutrals palette, which I've seen the colour scheme and it's really, really pretty. We'll have I think it was today she's released, I think it's going to be called Modern Neutrals, I think. I'm not 100% correct. And it's like, I don't know, I thought it was quite sort of blue, sort of cool toned looking, the other palette that's coming out as well. And I do think there's maybe brushes with it. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it all comes out next week sometime. I know that Cosmic Brush, is it Cosmic Brushes or Cosmic Beauty? I don't know, I keep calling them Cosmic Brushes. I don't know if they're Cosmic Beauty now, but anyway, they did a pre-order for their mystery box. Now I waited because I wanted to know what you were getting in it. I knew there was obviously a palette that was going to be in it, and I've seen obviously a couple of reviews. I think it's Angelica Nienquist, and I watched Final Beauties to see what you got in the collection. So there is a palette, 3 blushes, 3 lipsticks. The blushes and the lipsticks are obviously new products, so when that comes out again, I think you're able to order it, I think it's the end of November. I'll probably get that as well. But I'm just going to get stuck in, and I'm not quite sure what I want to do. Keep chopping and changing my mind. I think we're going to go into this shade here. I'm just going to very lightly just start making my way round into a shape sort of like that, and I'll do the same at the other side. I probably should have used my angle brush to get my shape, but never mind, that's fine. But yeah, there's a few sort of new releases coming out now. Can you deepen up a bit like that? I quite like that actually. Then I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'll go into this one here. And I'm just going to really, really lightly buff it out a bit. Like so, and do the same at the other side. So obviously Odin's Eye have done their Christmas release as well, and I think it's Silvery Bliss and something Jingles, I can't remember. They've done 2 palettes as well that look really, really nice. I've got their previous Christmas releases. I am going to revisit, because I know a few of you have said to visit the Cosmic Brushes Winter Wonderland palette. I will do that. I will revisit that. And I'm going to go back in and deepen that. I think I might actually go into even darker one here. It is my favourite Cosmic Brushes palette because it's got the blues, and I really like blue eyeshadow. You've probably seen that from my shorts. I've always got blue eyeshadow on quite a lot. I like the blues in that palette, and there's, I say green, but it's more like a tealy green shades in it, and there is some purples in it as well. It's really, it's my favourite. And then we're going to go into, I think this one up here. I'm just going to follow my shape around. Just same at the other side. If you hear any strange noises, Pep, he's on the floor eating a chew stick. I'm still toying with the idea of getting the colour pop Frosty the Snowman collection. Do I want it? Do I need it? Because I know it's very sort of blue leaning, so it's like, do I need another blue palette? Because obviously the Winter Wonderland is obviously very blue. I'm just going back into this and running that under my eyes. Leaning palette. And it's like, do I need? That's quite nice. So the shades that I used from this, I used this one to begin with, and then I buffed it out with that, and I kind of deepened it with this one, and then I've used this shimmer over the lid as well. But yeah, I'm kind of like, do I need? Because I've got a few blue palettes. I've even got the P. Louise Michaela, that's a blue palette as well. So it's like, do I need a blue eyeshadow palette? I'm not sure. I've already got my base face on. I'm still using the Revolution Skin Silk, and my browser, obviously I've used the Jenna Tutorial palette. I'm now going to use the blush, and I think we will go into the colour changing when it comes in packaging like this, and it's like that when you open it up. And obviously it's black. When I dip my brush into it, scroll it about, and dab it on, it goes on pink. Quite like this actually, it's quite nice. Oh, I've maybe gone a bit over the top there. And there is like a blush highlight as well. We'll get that out as well. I really like the packaging to the blush highlight. It's really pretty. It's like this, and when you open it up, and it's like this. And when you open it, it's like a little pop-up. It's really, really pretty. I'm just going to use the highlight from it on the cheeks like so. Using the other side. That's fine. I'm not going to put a lipstick on because I've already got, like I said, I'll show you actually. It's I've got it here. It's a Beauty Moon Cosmetic liquid lipstick. She put this in with a palette that I got, the 6 Feet Under one. I really, really like it. I like the formula as well. I'm going to use my mascara, which is obviously the Lash Princess by Essence. We'll maybe even revisit. I've got Colourpop's Christmas collection from last year, the reindeer one. Is it Rudolph? I can't remember what it's called. But I do have that, so I thought we can maybe revisit that and maybe create like a little reindeer look with it. And I'm now going to use, I think these are P. Louise lashes that I found. I've got tons of lashes that I've not used. I'm just trying to use them up. I'm taking my, I have to think of it, dual lash glue liner. Now in this Crimson Butterfly collection there is also wee butterfly tattoos as well. that you could probably cut them in half and put them inside of your eyes to give off that sort of butterfly effect. Quite sure how it's a left and right. I'm just looking at them. So I'm just going to glue all over my finger, and we'll do the same at the other side. I think I said last week as well, Blend Bunny have done another collab with Glitten Cosmetics, and I can't remember, is it Lisa something makeup, that looks quite cool as well. It's very colourful, it's like your sort of typical rainbow palette, and they've done a, this one's just not sitting right on, just make sure it's on right. They've done like a water activated liner palette. Now I've got a couple of water activated liner palettes, so I'm kind of not bothered with it. I'm still toying with the idea of getting Robert Welch's collab, because I did really like the look of that with the palette and the lashes and the liquid lipsticks. They look really pretty. I'm still toying with that idea. This is the final look using the Crimson Butterfly collection by Sheglam. If there is any other collections or palettes that you want me to revisit, leave a comment. If there's something new, out there, or a brand that I've maybe not mentioned before, but you're, new to it and think, oh, you should try that, please, tell me about it. I'm willing to try new brands all the time. I will be back with a new video, probably again next week. Maybe we'll go to the Winter Wonderland palette and create another look. And I'll see you again next week with a brand new video. Bye!